that person very well.
There are some of us here. We have labored. We have worked. The day you are supposed to eat the fruit of your labor, they are going to use picture, they remember you. Say, assuming my mama day here. Maybe you will follow me to enjoy. You are going to tell that person you are old. Say, the day of your joy. The day of your joy. Your fruit will never be fragrant. Oh, you are going to pray. Amen. That battle you are fighting, you will see them no more. I said that battle you are fighting, you will see them no more. Amen. Amen. God is telling me now. He said there are some of us here. Are you understanding this, sir? I know this speaker for English, sorry, man. Amen. Amen. There are some people here, you are passing through challenges.